What's up, everyone? Once again, changing things up a little bit. Doing this on Saturday instead of Sunday. Because once again, bad weather here in New Jersey on Saturday. Had a road trip planned. Right now, this is my last box of Road to WrestleMania 2019. But I'm hoping to remedy that tomorrow. Make that road trip and get more. If not, I'll just order them. So this will not be the last one. It's just the last one I have in hand. Tons of wrestling this weekend. Okay, came undone. There was the NWA show last night. Haven't seen that yet because SmackDown's kind of my favorite show of the week. I will be checking that out today. Got one Worlds Collide tonight. And then, of course, the Royal Rumble tomorrow. Okay, we don't need that. Looking forward to, pretty much everything. I guess for Worlds Collide, you've got Rhea Ripley and Toni Storm, who I think is going to be a huge star. Already a lot of buzz with her, but I expect Rhea Ripley to retain. Way too early for her to drop the NXT Women's title, and I expect a rematch with Shayna. For the Rumble tomorrow, probably not going to say anything that isn't known at this point, but as far as what I expect, hard to call a winner, but I'm expecting Drew McIntyre to eliminate Brock Lesnar. You don't really see him going the whole match if he's coming in at number one. And that will set something up with possibly even a WrestleMania match with Drew and Brock, and then leave your winner to challenge for the SmackDown title. And when I'm thinking about that, I'm thinking, yeah, and maybe Roman Reigns. Nothing against him. Not sure how excited people will be about that. But that would set up Roman versus The Fiend for WrestleMania. Women's Rumble, I'm basically expecting surprises. I'm expecting maybe the return of Nia Jax, Naomi, probably a few old school names. And actually, what about Ronda Rousey? Certainly would be the time for her to return and set up a WrestleMania rematch with Becky Lynch, because they have that controversial pin to go back to from last year. I think we got our auto. Well, it's already revealed. It is Rusev, 35 of 50. So we have another hit. I do have a Rusev, but I think I like that one better. So yeah, I think there's a hit in this pack. It feels fatter. Never know. So I'm just going to put that one to the side. So we're basically looking for a numbered card and another hit. That one feels, it should be a normal pack. Ronda Rousey, we just talked about. I don't think I missed anything important there. I don't know why these aren't opening from the top, but okay. They're bronze. So far it looks like I was right about the hit. It's going to be in this pack, which is good because these, I've said before, these videos kind of lose something when you get all those hits early. Not even going to speculate on what it is because I don't want to be disappointed. I think this is our numbered card. 58 of 99. Cesaro and Sheamus defeat Seth Rollins for the Raw Tag Team Championship. So basically now we're just looking for another hit. All right, finally getting to the bottom here. Let's move those. Naomi, who we talked about. All right, last pack before the hit, presumably. And looks like I was correct. Oof. So this is going to be our first box that's a disappointment, because we've got an Andre the Giant Battle Royal, Sin Cara. Having a hard time with that number, probably because it's upside down. So it looks like 9 of 199. So kind of a bust there, but I guess it had to happen sooner or later. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.